Hi, good morning. Today is 12th of June and it's my brother's birthday tomorrow, so we decided to take a short little trip to this small military town in Uttarakhand called Lansdowne. And it's the four of us and one of our friends Navya is also coming along with us. So I think it's going to be a lot of fun. Come along.
गाय दिख रही है। अरे यार मेरा अंगूठा एक ही है।
So we've taken our first pit stop in a farm or like something, and there's mango trees and stuff here. ये खड़े हैं पापा और फिर हम वहाँ मंजी पे अभी breakfast करेंगे. Look at our breakfast set up for the day. Fun picnic. Look around. करना कैसे? Hello, we've reached Lansdowne after traveling for like 6ish hours, and this is the first trip ever where we've not left with the booking in hand. So now we're just trying out the old school style. We're checking out properties to see if we like them, and then we're going to book whatever we like best. So let's see. On to location number 2. मम्मी लग रहा है ये लेंगे हम? नहीं. Second property we thought that we won't book, but वही full था. तो हमारे रिजेक्ट करने से पहले उन्होंने हमें रिजेक्ट कर दिया. Now we're at property number 3. It's a homestay, and before even booking it, we're just roaming around, thinking it's our own.
ये तेरा घर ये मेरा घर किसी को देखना होगा.
It's 4 p.m. and guess what? Still no luck with finding a place. The entire city is shut down and this restaurant is offering to give us food in a polythene and then he's asking us to eat out of it. अभी भी कोई जगह नहीं मिली है and क्या हम homeless होंगे? This is our lunch for the day. The groom, the bride. I think they're husband and wife. What do you guys think? Update 5 p.m. Still no place to stay. हम ऑफ रोडिंग कर रहे हैं just to get to a potential property. ये भीम पकौड़ा का पत्थर है जो कि 2 उंगली से भी हिल जाता है पर गिरता नहीं है. बट भाई की 2 की 4 की 2 हाथों से भी नहीं हिल रहा है. 2 उंगलियों से हिलेगा पर 2 उंगलियां कहाँ हैं?
हवा में.
Hello family, update for the day. What happened today?
तो अब हम बेसिकली देख रहे हो हम पार्क में आ गए हैं. आप ये पार्क देख लीजिए सारे. ये हम बस यहीं अभी बिस्तर डालेंगे क्योंकि हमको कोई होटल मिला है ही नहीं अनफॉर्चुनेटली. तो हमको थोड़ा सा चूना लगाया गया कि चलो थोड़ा चल के we'll get a car to pick you up to show you a property. And then the car came and then we drove for around half an hour, off-roaded on a very bad track and we reached a park quality hotel. हीरे मोती जड़े हुए हैं यहाँ पे. यहीं रुकेंगे हम. बेस्ट प्लेस एवर. क्या बोलना क्या चाह रही है? हीरे मोती जड़े हैं. ये तो है होटल. दिस इज द होटल. दिस इज होटल. ये स्लीपिंग बैग देंगे हम घुस जाएंगे.
अच्छा है यार, शांति.
मजा आ रहा है मम्मी पार्क सो के.
That is the place.
वो फिर लड़के के दांतों.
And now my dad's really frustrated because उनको लग रहा था कि चूना लगा रहे हैं. But भाई was adamant कि चलो तो सही, कभी तो मेरी बात सुन लिया करो. हाँ, so I was giving you guys an update. My phone actually died. So we came. And then dad was really frustrated. We drove so much. So now he was just like, in any case, you all should just stay here for the night and then we'll find another place in the morning because the sun is about to set. There's a sunset point which is good because it's like a private sunset point. It's an open property, so it's not like very bad. But it's just not the place we wanted to stay at. And it's Bhai's birthday tomorrow. And we don't even have a cake. And Navya, who stayed in a hostel, is just like, guys, just get me some milk and chocolate. I'm going to make a cake myself. So I think we'll have something makeshift. There's a barbecue thing happening over there. A family got their own barbecue and they set it up. But yeah, that's about it. Soon's turning 23 in 2 hours, but he doesn't give a fuck about his birthday. 5, 4, 3. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Hi, good morning. It's 7 a.m. We were supposed to wake up at 5:30 to go for a trek because we heard कि यहाँ 300 meters from here there's a little waterfall. पर मेरे साथी अभी भी सो रहे हैं तो मुझे नहीं पता कि हम कब जाएंगे या जाएंगे भी कि नहीं because the sun has started to come up. इससे ज़्यादा आएगा तो बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी लगेगी और धूप लगेगी. But let's hope for the best. So I'm just out here enjoying the view, listening to the birds chirp, and that's also nice. तो हमारे साथी उठ चुके हैं और हम निकले हैं वाटरफॉल की खोज में. Guys, say hello. How are you all feeling this morning?
Woo!
Woo! Let's do this. Let's find the waterfall.
Yes. I don't think it's up for me.
Just wanna stop in the middle while the trekking is. All I'm gonna do is slap you.
2 roads diverged into the woods and I took the road more traveled by and it didn't make any difference. Because these pink and white plants, I'm getting major Disney movie vibes, honestly. Get to the waterfall. We made it, I think. I think I can hear the waterfall, but it also might be किसी घर का tap. Can't say for sure yet.
हेलो झरना कहाँ हो मुझे आवाज दो
बर्ड ने दे दी.
बुला लो
झरना तो नहीं मिला, but we have a stream here. इतनी सी. वहाँ पे पोस्ट करेगा. पहला पोस्ट फाइंड डोरी.
यस क्या
फाइंड डोरी.
डोरी कहाँ है
फाइंड डोर.
That's your task. Do it. Careful to go there. Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming.
So we might be lost.
यार वहाँ पे जगह ही नहीं है.
Yeah, we are not able to find our way back. We're sort of lost. What is
कोई
up?
लॉस नहीं है हम.
We're outside a Kabristan and I am fascinated. पर खबरें कहाँ हैं? Oh, under the trees or what? I think that is also a kabr. Oh, that is one. Found one. Found one. Wow. Okay, there is something there as well. And my sathis have left me officially. Can you see Navya's head? Oh, now I can't see it either. I think I should run or else the dead will kill me. Sacrifice me. Something. कब्रिस्तान में almost dead होने के बाद we have finally found the way. और अब हम पहुंचने वाले हैं वापस in another 2 minutes. Not 2 minutes, 10 minutes. Who am I kidding? But yeah, at least we're not lost anymore. We got back from the trek, had breakfast, showered, and now we're ready to check out from this property. This is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing this retro indie shirt with a slip and a pair of white pants. And now let's figure out our itinerary for the day and I'm gonna see you later. Bye. Off-roading our way back on the road. Wow.
Okay.
Isn't this looking like 10 times better?
ढलान है.
This stretch is so bad. Really bad roads. And we got down just to like reduce weight in the car so that उठा पाए गाड़ी. But it's so risky. So tip and top करके किसी जगह का रास्ता follow करते करते we came upstairs and we came across this beautiful church which looks very vintage and aesthetic. There's not a soul to be found here. And now we're just gonna go to some cafe that Bhai and Navya found and we're gonna have lunch there. since our experiences here in Lansdowne, this is the first ऐसे sigh of relief कि अच्छा this place is decent and amazing. Now we're waiting for food. So Navya here eats pizza with fork and knife, and I think that should be banned. This is not cool. Update. In Tip and Top we finally found a place to stay. Look, there are tree houses there. We're staying in one of those, and then another one is this cute little cottage. I'm gonna show you all around. Okay, so this is what the cottage looks like from the inside. They've given us these chairs to put on the porch. There's a lounge area, a little fridge, another lounge area, dad's best friend, if you remember, you do. That's a TV, that's a bed, generic stuff, but it's just so woody and like cute, so I really like it.
Follow me.
The entire hill is covered in clouds and the clouds are moving also. It's so pretty. The weather is really nice, so we're all sitting outside और अब हम सबका डेजी करण हो चुका है. Everyone show your daisies.
Yes.
और हम ऐसे मतलब हम साथ साथ हैं वाली फीलिंग आ रही है, except we're cooler and the weather also is.
मैं बस ये कहना चाहता हूँ, ये सब करने के लिए हमको रोज का 50 रुपए दिया जाता है. अगर आपके पास आपके परिवार को पेड एक्टर की जरूरत है, हमको बुला लो, हम सारे हाजिर हैं.
इतने सस्ते 50 रुपए में काम कर देते हैं सारा का सारा.
क्योंकि मेहनत नहीं करनी पड़ती ना, तेरी बेइज्जती करने को मिल रही है तो 50 रुपए चलेंगे.
Bye. My dad and brother are looking so cute with daisies in their hair. We just had dinner and look at the crazy amount of rain that's happening here.
यहाँ पे बूंद भी नहीं आई.
Say bye bye to the lodge.
Okay, bye lodge.
And to the tree house also.
Bye tree house. हम तुझमें रुके नहीं इसलिए कोई इमोशन.
Good morning. It's 6:30 and we're about to leave this very cute little place. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please hit the like button, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you again very, very soon. Till then, take care. Toodles.